Hey cruise lovers, and welcome back to the channel. Are you excited for the future of cruising as I am? Then you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're going to be going over the top 5 cruises that I feel is coming out in the year 2025. From cutting edge technology to luxurious amenities, these ships promise to take your cruising experience to the next level. So let's set sail and explore these fabulous ships. First up, we have a ship that is all about luxury, innovation, and eco-consciousness. Let's talk about the MSC World America. The MSC World American is set to make waves in 2025 as one of the most anticipated ships in the MSC fleet. This beauty will be a part of the MSC World class, which is known for its groundbreaking designs with features like an eco-friendly propulsion system, state-of-the-art entertainment options, and spacious cabins with ocean views. The MSC World America will make every day at sea feel like a dream. Plus, it's packed with some serious, unique dining options and thrilling outdoor activities. Next up, we have a ship from Norwegian Cruise Line that's sure to turn heads. The Norwegian Aqua. The Norwegian Aqua is set to redefine the cruising experience with its sleek, modern design and next-gen amenities. What's one of these standout features? The Aqua will be home of a futuristic aqua-inspired pool deck featuring glass walls and panoramic ocean views. In addition, Norwegian is focused on sustainability with this ship, promising energy-efficient systems and focused on minimizing environmental impact. Expect luxurious spa experiences, thrilling entertainment, and a wide variety of dining options that will make this ship a must book for any cruise lover. Now introducing Royal Caribbean's next ship, Star of the Seas, a state-of-the-art cruise ship designed for those seeking both comfort and adventure on the open waters. Now Star of the Seas is the second Icon class ship that's going to be coming out for Royal Caribbean. Now I did sell an Icon and it was an absolute beauty of a ship, and I expect Star of the Seas to be more of the same. The Star of the Seas is also equipped with the latest technology, providing seamless connectivity, modern safety features, and a commitment to sustainability, ensuring a safe and environmentally conscious journey. Now I love Royal Caribbean and I love their ships, so anytime that they have a new ship coming out, it really gets me excited to see what more things they can innovate. So this one, personally, I'm really looking forward to. And Coco Cay is always a nice private island stop. I love Coco Cay. It's so much fun. But yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to this ship coming out. And now we also have another ship coming out from Disney, and it's the Disney Destiny. The Disney Destiny will be another stunning addition to the Disney Cruise Line fleet. Designed for families who will want to mix adventure, relaxation, and Disney magic. Expect more immersive and Disney storytelling, interactive character experiences, and unique dining options that the entire family can enjoy. The Disney Destiny will also feature a fantastic kids club, themed pools, and entertainment options that promise to delight guests of all ages. The Disney Destiny is scheduled to set sail on its maiden voyage on November 20th, 2025. And it also will be departing from Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Yeah, so if you're interested in this ship, I think they accepting bookings now, so make sure you call your travel agents and tell them to book you on this ship. And last but certainly not least, we have this Celebrity XL. The Celebrity XL is going to be a luxury cruise experience like no other. Celebrity Cruises is known for their sophisticated design, and the XL will take that to the next level with its sleek, modern aesthetics, world-class service, and focus on wellness. Expect a full service spa, exclusive dining experience, and cutting edge tech for the guests who want the best of both worlds. This ship will also feature immersive entertainment and unique excursions that are perfect for discerning travelers who want a taste of the high life. And there you have it. Those are just some of the ships that I'm really excited about that's coming out in 2025. Which ships are y'all excited for that's coming out in 2025? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on the video. And yeah, and until next time, happy cruising.